Hey, how's it going? Gabe Santellano with the K Grant Group at My Home Group. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the short-term rental / Airbnb market. So a couple stats I'm going to tell you about. So the average nightly rate for October increased from $215 to $269 across the entire market. For October, here in Arizona, the market did see a decrease in occupancy year over year, dropping from 60% in 2022 to only 37% this year. Year over year at the end of October, the supply is down within the market. So many of the short-term rental owners, investors have been selling some of their units. The tip of the month that we're going to give you something very interesting. Some people like to go look at their listing on Airbnb, check for their reviews, etc., etc. That's actually hurting you. So please don't do that. Go on another website if you want to look at your listing. Do not go to Airbnb. The reason why is Airbnb takes into account anytime someone goes in there doesn't actually book, it counts against you. So please, again, don't do that. Nice tip for you guys. And again, if you need anything, you have any questions about the short-term rental market, Gabe Santellano with the K Grant Group at My Home Group. I'm here to help. Thanks.